Every year, Wiccans from around the world celebrate 8 major holidays called Sabbats. These holidays mark significant points in each season and are collectively known as the Wiccan Wheel of the Year. Wiccan holidays celebrate the changing of the seasons, and every holiday on the wheel marks a significant point in each season. Samhain is the final harvest and marks the end of autumn and the beginning of the winter months. Yule is the longest night of the year and marks the peak of winter. After Yule, the nights grow shorter, and Imbolc marks the end of winter and the beginning of spring. Ostara is a spring equinox and marks the peak of spring when the day and night are equal. As the days grow longer, Beltane marks the end of spring and the first days of summer. Midsummer is the longest day of the year and marks the peak of summertime. Lughnasadh is the first harvest festival and marks the end of summer and the beginning of autumn. Mabon is a Wiccan Thanksgiving and is a second harvest festival, marking the peak of autumn. Now we return to Samhain, the final harvest, bringing the Wheel of the Year full circle.